Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super quick and easy one to do. I leave out a little bit of hair at the front, but that's personal preference. So then starting at the crown of your head, you just want to add a little bit of volume. Again, personal preference. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So then you want to pump it up at the back and add a few pins in the back of the hair just to keep it in place. And then once you get the desired height, you can go on and start pinning it to one side. You can do this style in the middle. I just think it looks a bit more princess and more goddess-like from the side. So then I go to the side and I just pin all my hair to the side, and I throw in loads of clips because I have quite thick hair. So if you have thinner hair, you might need as many. But I just keep pinning it up and try to pull it upwards rather than just to the side. And that way, as it's pulled upwards, it's going to feel a lot tighter. So then I added some flowers in just because, you know, summer and all that. So pinning back the front of my hair, it was like a decision that you need to do for yourself. So you just want to pin it all back, or you want to pin some out or leave some out, whatever is up to you. And then I grabbed the rest of my hair and I just split it in half and started twisting just around and around just to make like a little rope. And because you're going to be pinning this up afterwards, you don't need to worry about how you're tying a rope. So then what I did was I just pancaked it out, just fluffed out a little bit of the rope just to get it out and make it look a little bigger and make my hair look a lot thicker. And then I just pinned it up, and it was just as simple as that. It's just so quick and so easy to do, and you want to just pop in as many pins as you can. You can keep the flowers, you can get rid of the flowers, whatever's best for you. Leave some out the front, don't leave some out. Add a bit of hairspray just to get all the flyaways down. I did take this down afterwards, so I didn't add too much hairspray, but I absolutely love the way this turned out. I would remove the pins that you can see once you've styled the rest of it, but I didn't notice it until after I filmed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you everyone. Mwah.